third important point that there is interaction. When I say interaction, I am explaining two types of interaction. One is social interaction, another is economic interaction. Clear? Now, I don't think I need to elaborate on the permanent character of a settlement. That is very well clear. Then, when we are saying habitation is one character, we already have discussed. What is most important? Interaction. Can you tell me example of social interaction and economic interaction in a settlement? एकदम असं basic एक लहान मुलाला example समजेल तसं सांगा. हाँ. So I'll give you a very simple example. Let's talk about the economic interaction in a settlement. प्रत्येक settlement मध्ये एक छोटंसं किराण्याचं दुकान असतं. Clear? I told you ना, this flows. And त्या पूर्ण सेटलमेंट मधला जितकाही किराणा तुम्ही परचेस करताना बघता, where people are going, the very same store. ठीक आहे, they are not going any far. So there is a economic interaction, right? Just recall the point of remittance. Are you able to recall the point of remittance? I said की remittance एका टाउन मध्ये चाललाय. What is happening to the destination growth? Source region. There is a economic growth. How that economic growth is taking place? Because in that settlement, what we have? Economic interaction. Clear? What about social interaction? There is a temple. There will be fairs. There will be festivals. Right? There are some functions. Local level la social functions असते. Right? Lagna hai, barsa hai, whatever is there. What is happening that is happening in inside of the settlement. Clear? So that is why we are saying that there is a social interaction as well as there is a economic interaction. Now, about social interaction, if we have to elaborate, in social interaction, it may also happen that the settlement has a character which is based on the social structure of that settlement or social structure of the population. We'll come to that point. Okay, what I'm trying to say, you go to any settlement, प्रत्येक settlement चा आपला एक social character असतं. What do I mean with this? If you take any settlement, that settlement is not homogeneous. The distribution of population is never homogeneous. Getting my statement? Distribution of population in a settlement is never homogeneous. Typically in India, maybe in Western world or in other parts of the country, it will be homogeneous. In India, distribution of population within a settlement is very heterogeneous. You will find blocks where people from particular community would live. There would be a block from community A, community B, community C. ठीक है, कधीच तुम्ही असं नाही बघणार की एक मोहल्ला आहे आणि there are people from all the communities. That never happens in India. ठीक है, so that will also be a part of social interaction. हाँ, that will also fall under economic interaction. ठीक है, तो fundamental आता interaction मध्ये, this is like very classical view of looking at interaction. I can add one more point that there is environmental interaction. ठीक है, what do I mean by environmental interaction? याच्यामध्ये pointers आहे तुझ्या syllabus मध्ये. Sustainable development of cities. Is there a point? Sustainable development of cities. Now, when we are talking about sustainable development of cities, that definitely means that there is a environmental impact of a settlement. And that is why we have to develop sustainable cities. Clear? Okay. So that is the character of a settlement. Now,